Hey service, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the girl Gisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another reaction video. Yes. So before you guys get into this video, I want you guys to like it, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video like this. Yes. Yeah. Follow my social medias down below in the description box. Yes. And yeah, everything that's down there, follow it. It's a description for a reason. Like, come on now. So today I'm going to do a video reaction to Spice Tape Measure. So if you listened to it before whatsoever, please, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Yes. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Measure, tape to the measurement. Tape, measure, tape to the measurement. Tape, measurement, body a fi fit length pan the tape measurement. 8 a fi 9 a fi reach pan the 10. Body length a fi long to the tape measurement. Body fi more than 230mm if you want enter in a me middle center. Body head it a fi big round the perimeter, long like 25cm. It a fi long to the length of me tape measurement. If it's small and a little, then I thought me prevent.
So tell me now, how you gonna manage that?
If you living on me old, then you have to pay rent. Tape, measure, long to the number pan the tape measure. Tape to the measurement, body a fi fit the length pan the tape measurement. Tape, measure, long to the number pan the tape measure. Tape to the measurement, body a fi fit the length pan the tape measurement. Take advice from the queen, body a feel long till it bend, yeah, lean. When you see me bend it over, you feel put it in. Mix up a magnum with a little spurling. If you want give me pleasure, why if you walk with a long tape measure? Can't fuck me if you don't have a tape measure. Body length a feel long to the length tape measure. Tape, measurement, body a feel fit the length pan the tape measurement. 8 a feel 9 a feel reach pan the 10. Body length a feel long to the tape measurement. Body feel more than 230mm if you want enter in a me middle center. Body head it a fi big round the perimeter, long like 25cm. It a fi long to the length of me tape measurement. If it's small and a little, then I thought me prevent. Long till it bend, beat it, make it dent. If you living a me old, then you have to pay.
I'm pretty sure that none of these guys think they're long like a tape measurement. Like, come on now. But I dig the clothes for the outfit, but it's square.
Body a fi fit the length on the tape measurement. Tape measurement, body a fi fit the length on the tape measurement. 8 a fi 9 a fi reach pan the 10. Body length a fi long to the tape measurement. Tape measurement. Tape measurement.
No. Nope. This is a good video, to be honest. Like, the girls them can dance, y'all. Like, she really got some girls that can shake some, some cakes. But to be honest, right now, any guy that think that's long like a tape measurement, trust me, baby love, you win the Guinness record, because there's no way on earth, maybe, but there's no way on earth I'll find me a nigga that thing is gonna long like a tape measurement. Like, come on now. You ain't gonna mash me up, because I don't know how I'm gonna manage all day, but it's what she said. You got to long, you got to fit the, you got to be on. You know what? I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that for a next for a next topic, because this is that sex ads topic, right? To be honest, but yeah. So if you like this video, y'all should have liked this video like halfway in. Like, y'all should have liked this video halfway in. But if you like this video though, and if you haven't yet subscribed, that red button down there, if it's still red, you're not subscribed. And yeah, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, y'all. We do reaction videos. We drop them every week. Yeah, I know. Sometimes I'm not a woman of my words, to be honest, right now. I've been saying some things. I don't know if I be on some stuff, some medication or whatever, make I be saying some things. Or I've been in a good mood, that's why I've been saying some things. But there's some things that I've been saying, like, back then. Like, I'm gonna post every week. I'm gonna post every day. I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna post that. And guess what, y'all? Guess what happened? I didn't do a thing that I just said. So, if y'all see me the whole of next week, you know y'all gonna see me the other week. If y'all see me the other week, y'all gonna see me the other week. So I'm gonna just leave it right there. I'm gonna just leave it right there. But I'm gonna be active though. I'm active on here. And I don't really find a good strict schedule, to be honest, right now. Yeah, but yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please do all those good things, y'all. Please. Follow my social medias down below in the description box. Yes. I guess that, y'all, once I've been off, I'm gonna leave that for next time. But all I gotta say is that I took a break from YouTube to grow my TikTok. And I grow my TikTok to where I want it now, which is like almost 2,000 followers. And I think I'm gonna get a break of TikTok. TikTok is so toxic, y'all. It's not toxic, but it's just so addictive. It's like, when you're on crack, you can't get off crack. I'm kidding. I've never taken crack before, but I'm just saying it's so addictive, like so addictive. But I think I'm gonna take a break from off TikTok for now. I think I'm gonna take a good break off TikTok. I'm gonna just go inside and talk to TikTok right now. I'll be like, TikTok, we're gonna take a break. We just need a little bit of separation. You just need breaks. And if TikTok agrees, or I don't know, we'll see. But yes, yeah, I'm gonna think about taking a little break off TikTok to focus on my YouTube channel, because I haven't been focused on my subbies. I need to focus on y'all. I really do need to focus on all my subbies, but I need to focus on y'all and kind of put TikTok to the side a little, and just focus on y'all. Y'all are like my main ingredients now. TikTok is like my side dish. It's like my side dish. But anyways, yes. Yeah, no, I can't really come off TikTok, because TikTok is like, But yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new, welcome to the Subby Screws, and also comment down below that you're new. If you're new, comment down below that you're new, so we can welcome you. Yes. And if you're not new, we've been on a lot of journey, so we're still touring the place. We're not done with the touring as yet. We're still touring, y'all. It's free. Who got a free cruise? Who get a free cruise ride? Like, who gets a free cruise ride when you can get a free cruise ride over here? Yes. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off here and stop ranting in y'all ear or whatever. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. Bye.